If you look at it, we've been holding 20 and 50 all this while. So with that being said, I'm looking for price to at least. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you're welcome. You're welcome to this show. If you have any questions, concerns, just don't forget to email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. Well, what I'll be dealing with here today is going to be our weekend watch list. Okay, when we say weekend watch list, it doesn't really mean to buy immediately. You have to look for certain entry points for you to get in the stock, right? So it is a watch list. They are the stocks you just need to keep watching, just in case they fit your criteria. You can take one of those trades. So with that being said, it is very important that you understand this. It's not a recommendation to buy or to sell any equity. It's just for entertainment purposes only. Well, with that being said, guys, I have SPY right in front of me, and what I'll be dealing with here on this SPY is to talk about my expectation from for the market. And last week I did talk about the stock to get to this point. We got really close to this point and then rejected it. I was looking for 445 after the 440 target, right? But that never came. So we did pretty much push right into this resistance and then rejected it. That was what I was expecting. I was expecting this trend line, for the price to visit this trend line, reject it. We did visit, rejected it, and then bounced back up to retry, but the price couldn't break through, and then we fell down. Right now I'm looking at price going towards this area right now, which is our 434 or 435 area in terms of support. If this area of support here, this area right here, this 438 doesn't hold, then we'll pull back down to retest the 20 exponential moving average. That is where we're gonna find support. If perhaps the market keeps selling off, because this Friday was due to Amazon as well. So if this 20 exponential moving average doesn't hold, then we're going to be looking at price pulling towards this 50 exponential moving average. That is my expectation coming for next week for the market. But keep an open mind just in case we decide to pull back up. Maybe there's a good news on the infrastructure bill, so that could happen. With that being said, guys, you're welcome to the watch list. What I'll be doing today, I'm going to start with the first one, which is ROCMT. This one, this is, for me, this is really a beautiful chart to behold, because guess what? We are really consolidating within this range right now. Our 200 is right here, and guess what? We're like the 54% on RSI. Okay, volume came in the other day, and I'm expecting this to bounce right off this 20 exponential moving average. If you look at it, we've been holding 20 and 50 all this while. So with that being said, I'm looking for price to at least visit this area, which is $5 and then more. Okay, so the $5 is going to be the first target, but keep an eye on that one. And ANY, keep an eye on this one, because we are actually breaking this resistance zone right here, which is this spot right now. So we're breaking this area. The next area I'll be expecting price to go is the 375. We break 375, I think we can continue to push. This one, I have some position on this one because I'm expecting this to really continue. I've been holding this for a long time, took profit here, pull back, took profit because of this candle right here. Okay, because you never go wrong taking profit, right? So price did push higher. I missed this one. I waited for a pullback. We got the pullback, got in right now around the support, and guess what happened? Price pushed all the way to this area, which is area of resistance, and we got there. We tried 3 times, we couldn't break through, and then we just sold off with, you know, greater momentum to the downside, right? So you never go broke like taking profit every time. So right now we're going back to test this area again. That is what the price is going to do. Next is OPGN. This one, keep an eye on it. We did push on Thursday. On Friday is an inside candle, so keep an eye on this one and see what really does happen on this one. I'm expecting price to really push over this 270 spot and into the $3 on OPGN. Keep an eye on SINT as well. I do like SINT because right now we tried the 200 moving average, we couldn't break through, so I'm expecting more price action to come into this name as well. DARE, DARE, keep an eye on this one because why? Look at how we are really consolidating right now around this 200 moving average. I'm expecting price to really push. Your stop loss is just going to be around $1.40. That's going to be your stop loss with anticipation of making something higher on DARE. Next one is APOP, okay? APOP. Keep an eye on this one. The reason why is because I think we're really building a solid trend right here, right now on this stock. So keep an eye on this one. $5, that's the resistance, and then we can push higher. Be open to to really get something like this kind of move on this stock as well. Maybe when we get one, then we'll be all right. So that'll give us like $6, $7 on the name. ROCON, this one, we are below the 200 moving average, which I don't like, but at the same time we're consolidating right around here. I think if price hold this area, your stop loss is just below the $3 with anticipation of 375 and $4 on ROCON. Next one is going to be AEHL. Keep an eye on this one. I do like this one. Why? The reason why I like this one is because right now we have our resistance here. Okay, we're really close to the resistance spot with your stop loss just right below this $2.83. That is going to be your stop loss underneath there with anticipation of a push towards the 350 or even the $4 if we really don't get this kind of a push on this stock. So we've been pushed higher than pull back, so we can get something on this one. Should be all right. It's a low float as well. Okay, SPRT, keep an eye on this one. Right now we're just working our way in this area. We did top this resistance spot and then rejected it and pulled back, so expect price to really hold this spot right now. This is going to be our support, okay, because we closed right above it, so this is going to be our support. We're very, very close support, but at the same time we're further away from the 20 exponential moving average. So if this doesn't push towards the 950, expect pull back into the $6 spot on SPRT. I still have my position on this stock because I think I have around $7.20 on it, I think, and I'm expecting this to really still push. AMTX, this one has a beautiful trend. Keep an eye on this one because if this price or this stock begin to reclaim this trend, we should be all right. Okay, with our stop loss right below this support right now. For me, I'll be looking at $8 as in stop loss. I'll be looking for this $8 stop loss in anticipation of the $9.50, $10, $9.98, $10 spot. That's what you're going to be looking for. You have more room to the upside than to the downside with your stop loss around the $8. So keep an eye on that one. I also have IFMK. Keep an eye on IFMK. Volume really came in on Friday, so I'm expecting price to really break this level and then we can call it a day, right? So see how we got, and we really close right around this area, so keep an eye on this one. Everybody's looking at this one around this spot as well, so keep an eye on that. WORX, WORX, this one did good on Friday. Volume came in, so I'll be expecting price to to really continue bouncing off this area on Warrior X. But keep an eye on this one. This one is known to pop and fail, so keep an eye on that one. AHPI, also keep an eye on this one. This is a pop and failure, so every time this one pop, it fails. Every time it pops, it fails. The same thing every single time. So I'm expecting this to really fail, and then I can pick up some for like a week or two. PPBT, keep an eye on PPBT. We did push on Thursday and then inside candle, so pretty much I'm expecting this thing to pull back so that I can get in. I'm not in yet, so I don't like chasing stocks, so that is my plan. I really don't like chasing stock. I chase stock, I get burnt. This one is below the 200 moving average. However, we are finding support around this area, and then we bounce right off to test the 20 and the 50. So right now the next level for this stock to test is the $6 area or the 200 moving average. This is Blue Apron, so keep an eye on this one. Agri as well, I want you to keep an eye on this one too, because right now I see that we are actually testing our resistance zone. So we did test this resistance zone 350, and price rejected it. So the volume that came in is really a solid volume compared to the last volume we got here. So keep an eye on this one. As soon as we start going, that is for more like a long-term play. BSQR, keep an eye on this one as well. I do like the fact that stock always push higher. Every time the stock push, it push really solid, really well. So I would say keep an eye on this one. Right now we have this area of support. Our 200 moving average is right around $2.75. If you get an entry around this 315 area, your stop loss is $2.75 in anticipation of price moving towards this $4 or $5 overall. Next one is going to be CODX. Keep an eye on CODX. Right now we are teasing the 200 moving average, which is also our trend resistance. So if price can push over this $11 spot, I think we should be all right on CODX. I like this one for a long-term hold, so keep an eye on this one. GOVX as well. This one right now we're just playing around the 200 moving average. Is always choppy, really choppy, but right now what I'm seeing is a very long consolidation around this area right now. So between $4 and $6, this is the area. Okay, so I would rather get in around close to the $4 than trying to get in around the $5, which is around the middle of this channel. So I wouldn't want to do that, right? Next one is gonna be OSAT. Keep an eye on this one, as we are planning on pushing higher on this name. Look at the stock. We pop, we fail, pop, fail, pop, fail. I want my pop so that we can fail. All right, OSAT. Next one is gonna be bling, 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 bling. Okay, keep an eye on this one. Right now we have this area, this box area. This is what I want. I really want this to really hold this spot right here. Okay, we can hold this spot. I think we should be all right to push. We did push higher, okay, on Friday, so I'm expecting price to hold this spot, and then you're still really good because your support is right around the 20, 575. That's gonna be your support area. ELYS, keep an eye on this one as well, and we're about to break the 200 moving average, which is also a good deal. Keep an eye on AIM also. We're about to break this 200 moving average. I do like it. The reason is because, man, we've been trading within this range for quite a while, so it's about time for price to really push away from this $2 spot on AIM. So keep an eye on this one. And the last but not the least, guys, STRR. This one, keep an eye on this one, because guess what, we are actually pushing higher. Trend is still in our favor, so keep an eye on this one as we continue to push higher in this name, guys. This is a watch list. This is nothing else. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. You're more than welcome to email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com or follow me on StockTweet or on Twitter. If you have any question, I posting day-to-day analysis on my stocks, what I'm watching, what I'm trading, actively trading in the market. I'm here for you guys, and anytime, just hit me up, and we'll continue to work towards success. We'll continue to make money out of the stock market. And one thing I want you guys to take out of this, I bring out different stocks every single day and every single weekend. The reason is because we don't want to dwell on just AMC alone. Okay, I know so many people love AMC. They want AMC to go to the moon. They want to squeeze the short seller out, but you really don't want to be having your money tied down in just AMC, where you can trade other stocks that are moving. Like last week, we have Palantir move, we have Fubu move, we have Tesla move. So you just don't want to have your money stuck into one particular stock just because you want to prove a point, you want to make people understand what's going on, guys. No, you want to be able to have your funds in other stock as well. It is very important that you're able to capitalize on other markets, other stock that is moving as well, guys. With that being said, guys, I want to say thank you all for listening. Thank you all for being here. Peace and love, guys. Bye bye.